friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn about postal ballot. A postal ballot is a voting by shareholders by postal or electronic mode. Instead of voting personally by presenting or transacting the business in the general meeting, the voting is done through postal means or through electronic means. Okay, the items which can be transacted through postal ballot, there are 11 items which have been specified. The first is alteration of the objects of the clause of the memorandum. Second is alteration of articles of association which relate to insertion or removal of the provisions due to conversion of the company to private company, right? Then third is change in place of registered office outside the local limits of any city, town or village. Then third is change in objects for which company has raised money from public through prospectus and still has any unutilized amount of the money so raised. Okay, then the issue of shares with differential rights so as to voting or dividend of other or otherwise. Okay. Sixth point is variation in the rights attached to a class of shares or debentures or other securities. Seventh is buyback of shares of the company. Eighth is appointment of directors elected by small shareholders. Ninth is sale of the whole or substantially whole of the undertaking of the company, or where the company owns more than one undertaking, or whole of the substantially whole of any such undertakings. Okay. 10th is giving loans and or extending guarantees providing security in excess of the limits specified under section 186. Okay, then the 11th is any other resolution prescribed under any applicable law, rules or regulations. Okay, now the one-person company and companies having not more than 200 members are not required to transact the business through postal ballot. Okay, the one-person company and the company which does not have more than 200 members does not require to transact the business through postal means. Okay. And the items which cannot be transacted by means of postal ballot are any item in the nature of ordinary business. Second is any business in which directors or auditors have the right to be heard at any meeting. Okay, these are the exceptions of postal ballot. Okay, thank you.